Hey, what's up everyone? James Kwong here with the Village People. I just want to give you a little tour of Backstage. Everyone wants to come backstage. I don't know why, but let me just show you this beautiful layout here at this festival. All right, let's walk up to the stage. Here we go. All right, we're about to do our sound check, and I'm actually happy and proud. This is Malaga's biggest festival here. It's amazing. I love Spain. I could live here totally. It's my vibe. So we're gonna knock their socks off tonight. Have a great show. And yeah, so we got a little tour of Backstage. This is what it looks like. Not much going on, but we got to see it. Will!